Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a budget tracker in Monday.com, the complete 2025 guide. First up, we need to create a new board. Click on the New button located on the left-hand corner and select Board. We're creating a new board because this is where we'll be tracking our budget. Now that we've done that, it's time to add columns. Click on Add Column and select Numbers. These columns represent different budget categories, like groceries, rent, and utilities. This setup helps us because it allows us to allocate our budget effectively. Next up, let's rename these columns. Click on the column title and edit it to match your budget category. The reason we do this is to keep our budget organized and easy to understand. Moving on, we need to add a formula column. Click on Add Column again and select Formula. This column will automatically calculate the total spendings in each category. It's essential because it saves us time and reduces the chances of making a calculation error. Now, let's add the formula. Click on Column Settings on the Formula column and type Sum, Column 1, Column 2, Column 3. Replace Column 1, Column 2, and Column 3 with your column names. This formula will sum up all your spendings, giving you a clear picture of your overall expenses. Lastly, we need to input our budget data. Click on each cell under the number columns and type in your budget. This data gives us a real-time snapshot of our financial situation. Now that we've input all our data, we've successfully created a budget tracker in Monday.com. Let me explain why this matters. It allows us to track our spendings and ensure we're staying within our budget. It's a simple and powerful way to manage our finances. And that's it. You now know how to create a budget tracker in Monday.com. Remember, staying on top of your budget is key to financial success. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.